how to fix TripIt app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can fix TripIt app not working. The first step is for you to update the application. So make sure you have the latest version of TripIt app installed. And how do you check that if you have the latest version? Go to the store where you got the application from. It could be Play Store, it could be your app store, ensure you locate it, and then click on the search icon by the bottom right corner. In the search box, type try plate and click on the search icon, and then you'll be taken to the TripIt application. Then click on update to update the application. All right, so by updating the application, it will ensure that your app runs smoothly. All right, now once you've tried this and the app is still not working, another thing you can do is to restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve app issues. So once you've tried that and it's still not working, the next option is for you to clear cache and data. So go to your device settings page, and then once you're on your settings page, click on applications, and once you're on the applications page, you'll be able to manage your apps. So click on manage apps, and you'll be taken to your applications page where you see all of the applications. So just go ahead and locate your TripIt application. So by locating it, you can see details about the application. So scroll down, move to the bottom right corner and click on clear data. By clicking on clear data, click on clear cache, click OK. And so by doing that, your application should be up and running. Then, but if it's still not up and running, click on the clear data and then go ahead and clear the data of your TripIt application. But the disadvantage of doing this is that you would lose your trips, you would lose some details, and then you'd have to log in again like you just started using the app. Alright, that's the disadvantage. Okay, so by clearing your cache and clearing the data, it will help resolve loading and crashing issues. That is another solution. Another thing you can do is to try to uninstall the application and then reinstall it from your app store. This can also fix any corrupted files or settings. And lastly, visit the TripIt help center to see if there are any known issues or updates that might be affecting the app. And you can do that by opening your Chrome browser, and in the search box you can just type TripIt help center and click on the search icon, and you can go ahead and contact the support this way. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.